guys, today we are going to do a torn paper ice cream cone collage. Here is mine. I did 3 scoops of ice cream. I did mint, chocolate, and strawberry. What you're going to do is you are going to first draw your cone with a brown colored pencil or a brown marker or a brown crayon. And then you are going to draw your scoops using a cup to trace it so that you get nice circle shapes. Remember to give that little bump on the sides because when you squish a scoop on, it splashes out the other sides. So we want to give those little smooshy parts, okay? And then when you're putting them on top of each other, they're going to overlap. So even though it's a circle shape, you can't see the whole thing because the scoop on top of it is in the way, right? So we're doing overlapping. When you are ripping your paper, only rip a little piece at a time. So put some glue and then rip pieces a little piece at a time. Don't rip up all your papers at the beginning because then you'll have a huge mess to pick up, okay? All right, have fun, you guys. I want to see your ice cream cones.
All right, here we go. We're going to make our ice cream cones. You will have one long piece of paper. You will have one brown triangle. And then you can pick which colors you want for your scoops of ice cream. I chose green for mint, red, pink for strawberry, and brown for chocolate. First thing you're going to do is take a brown pencil or a brown marker, and we have to draw the waffle design on the cone. So this line goes this way. That's the edge of my paper, right? So I'm just going to draw a couple more lines going the same direction from the top. And then I'm going to do the same thing going the other way. Look at that delicious waffle pattern. Now, I'm going to glue my cone down. And make sure you glue it at the bottom of your paper so you have room to put your scoops on the top. All right. Then you're going to use one of these cups, and it's going to help you trace the shape of an ice cream scoop. So I'm going to overlap a little bit because part of my scoop goes inside the ice cream cone. Hold it down. I'm going to trace around the outside, and I have one scoop. But remember, a scoop isn't perfectly round because it has this smushy part on the side. So I'm going to draw these little wings, okay? It's like two little curved lines. Second scoop, and remember to overlap them because they sit on top of each other. Overlap it. Overlap it. And I went off the page, but that's okay. And then remember, these 2 scoops also need wings. So I draw those little wings. And actually, take the wing and go kind of across the cone. And then erase the cone underneath it because it's on top. So can you see my 3 scoops? This one is underneath this one because this one is on top. And this one is underneath this one because this one's on top. Then you can put your cups to the side and you're going to use your glue and your colored papers. And we're just going to rip little pieces like this and glue them on to our scoops. Here we go.